Memory management. So memory management functions can done in C using the function malloc, 𝐾alloc and free and realloc. So there are so many things. We have to just remember this 4 itself enough to allocate the memory and deallocate the memory. So what is malloc? Malloc means it's a dynamically allocate a single large block memory with a specified size. So it will dynamically allocate a single large block of memory. See what is the use of, if I defined int a of 5, it will allocate the memory, okay, 5 spaces will be allocated, memory is allocated, okay, and that memory spaces, if the person is not entered any value, that memory space is waste, right? So what I am doing is I am allocating the memory whenever the person comes. For example, in a party, I am allocating the chair whenever the person comes. Otherwise, I won't allocate the chair for all the members, right? If I allocate 100 of chairs and no member is coming, so what happened? The 100 chairs is wasted, right? So this malloc function is dynamically allocate a block of memory with a specified size. So whenever a person comes, whenever it is needed, I am allocating the memory. That is called memory allocation. It's a memory management purpose. We are avoiding the wastage of memory. We are using some functions, that is called memory management. One is malloc. So the syntax how to allocate a memory, there is a pointer variable equal to int star malloc n into size of int. So how many how many blocks of integer you want, that you can allocate. So int star malloc n into size of int. So size of int is, suppose if I want 5 numbers, so 5 into 2, 10 bytes will be allocated. 10 bytes will be allocated for this integer a of 5. Okay, and the next one is 𝐾alloc. 𝐾alloc means this statement allocate contiguous space in memory. So this will allocate contiguous space in a memory block for all the 25 elements, each with the size of the float. So same, 𝐾alloc means it's a contiguous space in memory, whereas malloc means a single large block of memory is allocated dynamically. Dynamically means whenever it is needed, I will allocate it. Okay, and after allocated, I want to free it, right? Otherwise it will be wasted. So free, this command, this free is used to deallocate the allocated memory. So in a pointer, I allocated some memory, so that can be freed. Okay, so allocated some memory a, b, c something. So after free, this is pointer. Okay, so in a pointer I allocated some memory. If I gave free pointer, then what happens? It will be released all the values. That is called free pointer. It deallocates the allocated memory. It deallocates the allocated memory. That is called free. Okay, the next one is reallocation. Reallow. It is used to dynamically reallocate the previously allocated memory. See, I thought that only 10 members will come for the function, and then what happens? 20 members came. So what I have to do? I have to rearrange my chairs to 10 to 20, right? So that is called reallocation. It is used to dynamically reallocate the previous allocated memory. The previous allocated memory is reallocated dynamically by using the function realloc. So the syntax for this is pointer equal to int star realloc 10 into size of int. So previously I can allocate only 2 or something. Now I assigning 10 times of the size of the integer. So that is called reallocation. So memory management functions are malloc. So for a memory allocation for a single large block of memory dynamically with a specified size, 𝐾log, which is used to allocate contiguous space in a memory, and free, which is used to deallocate the memory, and realloc, which is used to reallocate the previous allocated memory. That's it.